How to manifest anything you want or desire. It's really simple. All you need to do is manifest anything you want. You may have heard of manifestation or the laws of attraction. After all, the process was the subject of a 2006 best-selling book, The Secret, which sold over 30 million copies, and it's something that thought leaders such as Deepak Chopra, Eckhart Tolle, Gabrielle Bernstein, Ian Vanzant, and Oprah have discussed. For the record, they all agree that it is possible to manifest things. But first and foremost, even though manifesting is about making your dreams a reality, it does necessitate taking proactive steps toward whatever it is you desire. So, don't expect it to happen instantly or overnight while you sleep. That being said, it's a small price to pay, in our opinion, for something that can have such a profound impact on your life. You control a lot with your thoughts, and we control a lot with our combined thoughts, but we believe, Oprah states, when speaking to LinkedIn CEO Jeff Weiner in 2015, when I realized that for myself, I became more cautious about what I think and what I ask for, she explained. I was thinking, what else can I do? What else am I capable of manifesting? Because I've seen it work before. I've seen it happen time and time again. Do you want to try your hand at manifestation? Here are the steps experts recommend you take to try to manifest anything you want, including money and love. Let's take a step back. What exactly is manifestation? Manifestation is the process of attracting something tangible into your life through attraction and belief, i.e., if you think it, it will come. However, manifestation is more than just willpower and positive thinking. Manifesting, writes Angela Lombardo, author of A Spiritual Entrepreneur, manifesting is making everything you want to feel and experience a reality through your thoughts, actions, beliefs, and emotions. So what do? First, you make a list of your desired outcomes before you begin manifesting. While everyone approaches manifestation differently, Lombardo believes most adhere to the same fundamental principles. First and foremost, and perhaps most importantly, you must know exactly what you want. You are the only one who dreams your dreams, she says. So whether it's a new partner and a healthy relationship or a better job, know it and own it. Whatever you want, one thing is critical. Be as specific as possible in your intention. The more clear and concise, the better, says Lombardo. Instead of saying, I want to meet my soulmate, create a detailed image of what that person would look like. Think qualities, characteristics, values, etc. Once you've established your intention, ask for what you want and write it down. When you've identified your hopes, dreams, and goals, it's time to ask the universe for what you want. This can be done in a variety of ways: prayer, meditation, visualization, speaking your intentions aloud, a vision board, and/or a future box, which is a container filled with pictures of items you want to manifest, but you must be specific. You can also write down your intention on paper. If you spent any time on TikTok, you're probably familiar with the 369 method, which involves writing down your desires in the following order: for 33 or 45 days, 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night. But it can also be as simple as a letter to the universe. And begin working toward your objectives. Manifesting is also known as co-creating because it's a collaboration between you and the universe, writes Gabrielle Bernstein, author of Super Attractor and The Universe Has Your Back. That is why knowing what you want is only half the battle. You will not see any results unless you take action. Set aside some time to consider what steps you can take to achieve your goals on your own and then incorporate them into your routine. For example, if you want to make a specific change, begin networking with people in your new field and prepare for a job interview. Another way to be in action while manifesting is to ask yourself, what would my future self think? Lombardo explains, what's the reason reframing your mind can and will help you succeed? Being the person who already has, does, and feels your goals, dreams, and desires assists you in becoming that person, Lombardo adds. The next step is to be aware of and grateful for what you receive. While you may not get everything you want in the order and time frame you prefer, you should accept and appreciate what you do get, no matter how big or small. Gratitude, according to Lombardo, is essential. Consider keeping a gratitude journal to accomplish this. Spend 5 to 10 minutes before bedtime writing down a few things for which you are grateful, as well as anything that happened that day that brought you closer to whatever it is you're attempting to manifest. Maybe you want to save enough money for retirement and get a call from your cable provider about lowering your monthly bill, or you listen to an informative podcast that sparks an idea for a money-making side hustle. And let go of any resistance and limiting beliefs you may have. You will need to remove any obstacles or limiting beliefs that may cloud your vision, such as fear and negative self-talk. In addition, changing your mindset and behaviors. Telling yourself you're not good enough, you're not worthy enough, you're not smart enough, you're not enough, etc., etc. It's a tape that a lot of people have listening to in the back of their head. If you're not conscious of it, you end up acting out of that belief system, rather than what you know to be true or what you want to be true for yourself. You don't become what you want because so much of wanting revolves around living in the space of what you don't have. To overcome your limiting beliefs, it is critical that you first identify them. To do so, consider the following. What are the beliefs I have about myself that may be impeding my progress? Bernstein advises, in adding more ing to your life, to write down your answers, cross out the limiting beliefs, and replace them with your new affirmations. Make a note of your responses, and then replace any negative feelings with positive ones. If your limiting belief is, I am incomplete without blank, replace it with, I am complete just the way I am. If your limiting belief is, I'm not good enough, replace it with, I am wonderful just the way I am today. To take a further step, the next time you find yourself doubting your worth or saying, I don't deserve this, pause and consider all the reasons why you do, advises Lombardo. Check and change your energy levels. Is there one thing Oprah is certain of? Everything revolves around energy. What we put out into the world is what we get back, she says. According to Oprah's Super Soul Conversation, if you are currently sending out negative energy, whether through your thoughts or feelings, you will attract that same energy back to you. On the other hand, if you can shift your energy, a practice known as raising your vibrations, you will attract more positivity, which will help you achieve your goals. Fortunately, increasing your energy level is quite simple. Simply focus on activities that promote feelings of joy and happiness, whether it's doing something nice for someone else, assisting a friend or family member, donating to a worthwhile organization, volunteering, beginning each day with a meditation session or a quick yoga class, spending time in nature, or treating yourself to some well-deserved self-care. Additionally, you can focus on how you want to feel. If you want more love in your life, set your intention to be more loving, says Oprah. If you want to be kind, concentrate your efforts on empathy and compassion. However, be adaptable and trust the process. Having said that, the process is fluid. The steps you take aren't as important as your belief, so trust your actions, visions, and clarity, as well as the powers that be, says Lombardo. Faith can be a powerful motivator and guide. Yes, you have the ability to manifest love. The best thing about manifestation is how versatile it is. The law of attraction has no limits. Once you start dialing in your manifestation process, there's no limit to what you can manifest, or how often, or how much you can manifest. New friendships, romantic relationships are examples of this. That being said, it is critical to only manifest people who will assist you in achieving your goals. You'll only want to attract people who like the person you're becoming. Of course, this may mean passing up a few exciting opportunities, but I'm sure you'd agree that you'll be happier with someone who's aligned with you, who's making big moves. And as previously stated, manifesting love, like everything else, necessitates some actual effort. Looking for a place to begin? Here are a few ideas to help you meet new people. The same is true for money. The steps for manifesting money are similar to those described above. However, Marla McKenna, author of Manifesting Your Dreams, emphasizes that financial manifestation is rooted in gratitude, well, and working. The trick to manifesting money is to look at your abundance and express gratitude for it, McKenna says. So even if you're having trouble paying your bills, raise your vibration and block any limiting beliefs by welcoming the money and prosperity that is on its way. In short, concentrate on what you have rather than what you don't. McKenna also recommends using visualization tools to stay motivated and focused. Buy a larger purse. Imagine yourself swimming in a pool of cash. Make a money tree of Monopoly money until you can replace it with real money. Or write a large check to yourself knowing that one day you will cash it. What is the quickest way to get what you want? According to McKenna, if you see it and feel it, you will achieve it. Being clear about what you want is the simplest way to manifest anything. Don't send mixed signals to the universe and then act. It is critical to work toward your objectives. You should also maintain an open mind. Ask the universe for what you want and look for signs of accomplishment or success. The only thing standing in your way of realizing your dreams is you. You can hold in your hands what you can visualize in your mind. So get started. You have a lot of manifesting to do.